Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Coda Action Automation for Workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search on the app and click on it. Then click on Install, choose an account, and click on Continue. Head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Then a page is going to pop up where you're going to copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, click on Settings. Then you click on the custom menu links and you click on Create New. Insert an icon. Give a title and paste the link right over here. Choose a sidebar preference and you select an account. Then you give a role-based visibility, which is all. Then you click Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch to the account, navigate to the custom menu link itself and search for the app. Then let's head over and connect this app. Click on the Connect button, and the second interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right over here. We have the tutorial where you're going to see a smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's hop into that. Click on the Start Setup and head over to the account which you've created online. Click on your profile and you click on Account Settings. Then head over to the API settings and generate a token. Give a name. Then click on Generate a token. Copy the token. Head over to the account and you paste. And you click on Complete Setup. There you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a call with the support team. We have the changelog feature, which is one of the interesting features. We are going to track all the updates and changes made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.